Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing what Weslog needs to run properly. Install the app and sign in, then grant microphone, location, and storage permissions so features work. Once done, open Settings and confirm time zone, default project, and notification preferences. This avoids misaligned timestamps and missed alerts. Make sure data sync is enabled so entries upload. Finally, create or select your first project. This is where all logs will land, so name it clearly to keep entries organized. You'll now create actual logs. Tap New Entry and pick Audio, Text, or Photo. Audio captures voice fast, text is for quick notes, and photos save visual context. Once recorded or typed, add tags and assign the entry to a project. This makes retrieval simple. If needed, set a custom timestamp, useful for retroactive entries. Review the auto transcript and edit errors. Attach any extra files, then either save to upload or mark as draft if you need to revise later. You'll complete entries and ensure data safety by syncing. After saving, force a manual sync or confirm automatic sync is active so the cloud reflects your latest logs. You can export data as CSV or PDF for reporting or share single entries via email. If something goes wrong, first check your network connection, then force restart the app, clear cache, and try syncing again. If issues persist, toggle permissions off and on, and retry. This often restores access without losing entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.